Welcome back, guys, with a brand new idea, the Inspiro Show, where you will get to know about personalities who have changed the world and those who are still changing it. And what better way to start than with a bright light himself, the legendary inventor Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison, the inventor of the bulb, is one of the most inspiring people who left a mark on history for future generations. He was an American inventor and businessman, born in 1847 in Milan, Ohio, and grew up in Port Huron, Michigan. He was the seventh and last child of Samuel Ogden Edison Jr. and Nancy Matthews Elliott. Thomas' thinking was different from all. As you know, society accepts people who follow the flow, not the ones who create their own. Same story was of Edison's. He asked why and how. He didn't like to just sit and memorize. This made teachers label him as slow or troublesome. But one person didn't agree, his mother. And as we know, mother is our first teacher and home is our first school. That's how it was throughout Thomas' life. His mother, a former school teacher, took charge of his education. She gave him books, history, science, literature, and let him follow his curiosity. Thomas worked as a newsboy on trains, selling newspapers, snacks, and more. But he didn't stop there. As I said, he built his own chemistry lab on the train. But one day, one of his experiments caught fire and he was kicked off. But karma had a plan. One day, he saved a 3-year-old boy from a train accident. The boy's father was so grateful, he taught Edison how to use a telegraph machine, and this was a turning point. By his early 20s, Edison had already invented an automatic vote recorder and was dreaming big about inventions that would change the world. He started working as a telegraph operator while still experimenting on the side. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. He moved to New York with almost nothing, fixed a broken stock ticker in an office and impressed the owners. They hired him, giving him time, space and resources to invent. By age 12, he had already read the decline and fall of the Roman Empire, Newton's works and much more. He proved that if you're facing difficulty on your way, don't change the way, change your mindset. He started working at the age of 12, selling newspapers on trains. He used that money to buy more books and lab equipment. He even built a mini lab in the baggage car of the train. He was not among the bandwagon. He was built different. Maturity doesn't come from age, it comes from responsibility. He learned by doing, failing, fixing, and trying again. Experience was his real teacher. In 1876, Thomas Edison built the Menlo Park Laboratory, the world's first industrial research lab in New Jersey. He knew that to gather more knowledge, you must not work alone. So he built a team of scientists, engineers, and machinists. And together, they created magic. Teamwork, dedication, and innovation, all working hand in hand. Phonograph, 1877, the first machine to record and reproduce sound. Telephone transmitter. He improved Bell's invention to make it clearer and more reliable. Before electric lights, people used candles, oil lamps, and gas lamps. Messy, dangerous, inefficient. Electric light existed before Edison. In 1802, Humphrey Davy created the first arc lamp, but it was too bright and short-lived. Edison didn't invent the light bulb, but he perfected it and made it practical, and that's what made him legendary. Early bulbs burned out fast and consumed a lot of power. Edison believed in trial and error to reach the solution. His focus: find a filament that would last longer, burn slower, and handle heat. Success comes from thousand failures and a never giving up attitude. Edison and his team tested over 6,000 materials, including cotton thread, silk, platinum, carbonized paper, carbonized bamboo, which finally worked. After all those failures, carbonized bamboo became the hero. In 1879, the team finally created the working bulb that lasted 13.5 hours, a revolutionary breakthrough. I have not failed. I have just found thousand ways that won't work. Thomas Edison. Even a donkey works hard, but the smart one wins. Edison's failures were lessons. Each taught him what not to do and brought him one step closer to success. Edison's journey had twists and turns, sad moments, failures, rejections, and victories. But if it weren't for his persistence, maybe we'd be still sitting in the dark. Never giving up is something we can all learn from him. Rejections are just alerts that success is on its way. A young boy who lacked resources but made the most of what he had proved that life is bright when you become the one among millions who thinks, analyzes, and executes. So, have the mindset to sacrifice for your goals because the world is yours. Thank you for watching. If this episode lit up your spirit, subscribe to Motivate Guru for more Inspiro. More powerful stories coming your way. Stay tuned.